Are your Pinterest pins invisible? Like you spend time creating them, you upload them, and then nothing. They just get lost in the feed. That's frustrating, right? Stop using boring images that blend into the background. In just 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to create a scroll-stopping travel banner that actually gets clicks and saves. Here's the plan. First, we're going to design the banner inside Canva, and then we'll upload and publish it as a pin on Pinterest. It's really that straightforward. So let's start by opening Canva. Go ahead and pull that up in your browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a purple button in the top right that says Create a Design. Click that. And now, create a new design using the Pinterest template. Just type Pinterest pin into the search bar, and Canva will give you the perfect size. It's already optimized for the platform, so you don't have to guess the dimensions. Next, add a travel-related background image. Now, here's the thing. Canva has a massive library of stock photos, and a lot of them are completely free. Search for something like beach, or mountains, or city skyline. Pick a high-quality image that's bright and inviting. You want something that makes people feel like they're already on vacation. Just click the image you like, and it'll snap right onto your canvas. Now add a catchy headline. This is where you really grab attention. For this example, we'll use Top 10 Travel Destinations for 2026. All caps can work well here, but keep it readable. I like to use one of Canva's pre-made text styles, but you can just click the text button on the left, choose Add a Heading, and type your title right in. Then add supporting text if you need it. Maybe something like Travel More, or Explore New Places, or Adventure Awaits. Keep it short and punchy. You don't want to overcrowd the design. This text should sit just below your headline and give the viewer a little extra reason to stop scrolling. Use colors that match your travel theme. This is where a lot of people trip up. They pick colors that clash. So look at your background image. If it's a tropical beach, pull colors from the ocean or the sunset. If it's a snowy mountain, go with cool blues and whites. Canva has a color picker tool that lets you sample colors directly from your image. That's a pro move right there. Take a moment to review the design. Step back and look at it as if you were scrolling through Pinterest for the first time. Does it make you want to click? Is the text easy to read against the background? If everything looks solid, you're ready. Now download the banner image. Click the Share button in the top right and then select Download. Make sure the file type is set to PNG for the best quality. Click the blue Download button and give it a second to process. Easy. Switch over to Pinterest. This is the fun part. On your Pinterest home screen, look for the big plus sign, or the Create button. Click that. Then click Pin. This will open up a new window where you can upload your design. Upload the banner image you just downloaded. You can drag it right into the upload area, or click to browse your computer. Pinterest will preview it for you right there. Now add a title and description. The title is a big deal. Use something that matches your headline. For the description, you want to be descriptive and inviting. Something like, discover beautiful travel destinations, vacation ideas, and adventure spots to inspire your next trip. Sprinkle in a few keywords, but make sure it sounds natural. Choose a board for your pin. This keeps everything organized. You might already have a board called Travel Inspiration. If not, you can create a new one right then and there. Just give it a name and select it. And finally, click Publish. That's it. You've just gone from an invisible pin to a beautiful, professional banner that people are actually going to stop and click on. Now, the next time you're planning a trip or just want to share some wanderlust, you know exactly how to make it stand out. Go ahead and give it a try. You've got this.